In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching an app that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of an app at the top and select Open in split screen view. Now tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on the Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!